Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Knowledge. Today I am going to show you how to turn off keyboard sound in Android mobile or keypad sound in Android mobile. To turn off keyboard or keypad sound in Android mobile, first of all just go into your setting. Now go into your setting. Now click on sound and vibration setting. Click on sound and vibration setting. Now scroll down. After scrolling down you will see an option keyboard sound. Now you have to turn it off. To turn it off, now after turning it off you will see that your keyboard will not sound while you are typing on your keyboard. So like this you can turn off keyboard sound in your Android mobile. If you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Thank you.